In this video, we're going to take a look at my Vanquish review. So let's get into it right after this. Hey and welcome to my Vanquish review. I'm Ronnie with USA Digi, and if you're into learning about new marketing products and how to make money online and all that cool stuff, make sure to like, share, and subscribe so that you don't miss a thing. And be sure to stick around to the end of the video where I'm going to be revealing my exclusive bonuses for this particular product. Okay, so I need you to do two things. The first thing is scroll down and look in the video description and look for my link. It's going to be the first link in there. It's going to take you to my bonus page here. And all you have to do next is scroll down on the bonus page and look for the button that says click here to get Vanquish and all 20 bonuses. Okay, so once you click that link, that's going to lock you in to get my bonuses in the back end inside Warrior Plus. Well, I'll show you how to get those bonuses at the end of this video. But the next thing I need you to do is scroll down on this page a little bit further down. Okay, under here, and you're going to see this here. It says you will need to get GrooveFunnels account to use this system. Okay, and you can get a free one right now. So just click this button. It's going to open a new page, so you could save your place here. It's going to open a new tab, and then you could sign up to get your free GrooveFunnels account. Okay, so while using the Vanquish system, you're going to be using GrooveFunnels. Okay, you can create a free account, as I just said. Click on that button. Also, if you scroll down in the descriptions, as I'm showing right here, just look for get free GrooveFunnels. If you want to do it from the description, you can click on that link there. There's going to be another link under here that says if you have the free version, you can upgrade. So upgrading might be something you're interested in. I've already done it. So here's what that comes with. So as you can see over here, the Platinum Lifetime option, you got Groove Sale, Groove Affiliate, Groove Pages Pro, Groove Mail, Groove Member, Groove Video, host your own videos. That's really cool. If you're using Vimeo or Wistia right now and paying a monthly fee, no more of that. Groove Blog, Groove Desk, Groove Calendar, Groove Survey, Groove Quiz, and over here, Groove Cart, Groove Webinars, live and automated, and Groove Pages Shopify. So there's tons and tons of options in here. So to me, this is better than ClickFunnels. So if you have like a website right now, you don't even need that anymore. This is going to be your new website and funnel builder and email marketing. It also has an autoresponder in here, Groove Mail. So that's cool as well. If you're doing Aweber or something like that, you can get rid of that monthly fee as well. So very cool, guys. So that link is also in that description if you want to check that out. All right. So again, here's the green button you can click on, and that'll take you to create your free account. And if you want to upgrade, that's up to you. So the free account entitles you to have 3 funnel pages, and that's it. Okay, if you want more, you're going to have to upgrade. And if you want to use your own domain name, you're going to have to upgrade as well. It only entitles you to use the GrooveFunnels domain if you're just having the free version. So that's the limitations on that. So it's up to you if you want to upgrade. Personally, I think it's an awesome deal, but it's only lasting till the end of this month, and then they're going to be going up on the price, and they're going to be doing just the monthly thing, so you might want to upgrade as soon as you can. Okay, so that's enough about Groove Sale. Let's talk about Vanquish now. So how can this software help you create some really high commissions? So this is basically a high ticket selling machine. Okay, so once you set all this up, you use Groove Pages, you set this up inside of Vanquish. You're going to target YouTube videos, okay? So you're going to be putting ads in front, which is already done for you, by the way. All these pages, you just need to set everything up in here. Doesn't take long to do. Then you create a Google ad, and don't worry about it if you're saying, well, I don't have any money to spend on Google AdWords. Don't worry about that, because they're going to show you how to find a $100 voucher so you can get started with no money up front, okay? So that's all included in here as well. And let's go over the sales page right quick. Okay, so it reads breakthrough software system grabs and converts untapped traffic into $650 commissions all day long. Okay, so they're banking 1,000 plus paydays right now, practically on autopilot. So you can go ahead and watch the video here, the VSL. That's also on my bonus page. You can watch it there if you want to, right? So let's just briefly go over this. So we pretty much know what this is, right? So in a nutshell, this is pretty much what it is. So it's cutting edge traffic software. Inside, you're going to find a done for you money pages that's customizable with mics included breakthrough software. Groove funnels, right? Go ahead and sign up for your free account. And over here, you're going to get the built-in monetization with automated offers already in there. That's going to pay you $650 per sale. Okay, and this is really easy to cash in with, right? Because you're going to be using Google Ads, and they're going to be showing on YouTube videos that are specifically coined for the specific niche that you're going to be doing here, which is the make money online niche or the affiliate marketing niche. And again, you're going to get that $100 voucher that you can use, so you don't need money to get started with that. Okay, so let's go ahead and scroll down here. There's a testimonial from Ashley there. Alright, so 3 ways Vanquish delivers better results than any other affiliate commission method. You're going to have better traffic, better conversions, and better commissions. Of course, $650 payouts is way better than $12 or $17 or $27, right? So yeah, this is a really good system. Okay, so guys, this is how easy it is to set this up, okay? Once you get inside the software, you simply paste in your affiliate ID where they show you. This only takes a few seconds. Okay, so step 2, activate the included traffic software to drive targeted buyers traffic from YouTube to your money pages. And step 3, bank your profits as the traffic, automation, and offers convert into commissions. So it's a really easy system, guys. Not hard at all. They show you step by step inside the training, and we're going to go through the members area in a second here. Okay, so here's the 30-day double your money back guarantee. So really cool on that. Okay, so you're also going to get these fast action bonuses. So bonus number 1 is Jono's YouTube ads course. Okay, bonus number 2 is $90 free ad spin. And bonus number 3 is Jono's Bing ads course. Okay, so go ahead and read everything on the page, guys. Make sure you understand anything. If you have any questions, there's some FAQs right here on the bottom of the page. So that's going to do it for the sales page. All right, so pretty simple, right? So let's go ahead now to the members area and take a look at that. Okay, so inside the Vanquish members area here, you got the introduction video, Welcome to Vanquish. So this is a video with Jono inside here. He's going to take you into the Vanquish members area, show you how to get to everything. And he's going to talk about how to register for the live training call here, which is at this button. Okay, the next module is going to be Vanquish walkthrough and access. So in here, Zishan's going to take you through how to set up Vanquish and how to set everything up in Google Ads and all of that good stuff. Here you can access the Vanquish app, and if you did not use my link on the bonus page or in my YouTube video description, you can get to Groove pages here as well. And in this video, he's going to show you how to get that $90 free ad spin. Let's go ahead to module 3 here. This is the resources. So you're going to get the opt-in page links, the YouTube ads for Ministry of Freedom, and the YouTube ads for SAS. So you're going to have these 3 links here that you're going to be using for high ticket offers. Okay, these are the high ticket offers. Okay, so we have some advanced training in here. So that's one video of advanced training that Jono's going to show you in Google AdWords, this one little thing that's going to improve your results. Okay, you have your bonuses in here, and then you have the upgrades as well. If you didn't get those upon checkout, if you wanted to get them later, they're available right here. And you have special bonuses right here, as well as the sales page bonuses that were listed on the sales page. Okay, so that's it for the members area. Let's take a look at the upsells now. Okay, so the front end is Vanquish. Of course, we already know what that is. So let's go ahead to the first upsell here. So upgrade number 1 is going to include another standalone, fully automated traffic software, plus winning methods for driving free traffic from both Instagram and TikTok. So the Pro basically unlocks unlimited video searches with the software, making Vanquish a truly unlimited YouTube traffic solution. So the FE, the front end version, only has so many video searches that you can use, and this is the upgraded Pro version. Okay, so upgrade number 2 is the Vanquish Done For You campaigns. So you're gonna get these 10 proven commission generating campaigns from Jono's personal collection. These evergreen offers have personally made Jono over $75,000 and are plug and play simple for customers to exploit with Vanquish traffic. So each campaign includes email swipes, bonus pages, bonus bonuses and review video. So this is at $97. Okay, so upgrade number 3 is 3 times done for you high ticket funnels plus limitless traffic. Okay, so basically what this is Jono's going to allow you to put your pixel, your Facebook pixel or Google pixel from your own websites or pages on his sales pages that gets tons and tons of traffic. Okay, so you're also going to get pre-approved access to promote 3 high ticket offers that pay between $4.97 and $9.97 per sale, and the selling is done for you via automated webinar. Okay, again, this is at $197, and the last upsell is for $197 again, and this is 4 apps reseller license bundle. So you're gonna get reseller rights to Vanquish, JavaScript Commission Bot, Insurgy, and Gemini, and you're gonna get to sell these and keep 100% commissions across the whole funnel. Okay, so this is a really good deal to get license rights to sell 4 premium products at $197, because usually license rights for just one product to keep 100% commissions across the entire funnel is $97. Okay, let's just see how much you're saving if you pick that up. So 97 times 4 is 388 minus 197. 191. So you'll be saving $191 by picking this up. So pretty cool. Yeah, so it's a pretty good deal, right? So let's go ahead now and head to my bonus page. Okay guys, make sure there's time left on this timer to get these bonuses. These are limited because there's so many on here. I'm putting 20 bonuses on here. So yeah, make sure there's time left on here, all right? So I'm just gonna scroll all the way down to the bottom here and read through these. Okay, so I'm just gonna read the bonus number, what it is, and the first headline here, okay? So bonus number 1 is color, psychology, and marketing. So you're gonna learn how to decode colors and use them to your advantage when it comes to marketing. Bonus number 2 is customer journey and product testing. So you're gonna learn what to do before you launch your own products in public so it can get the best results. Okay, so it's a pretty cool little trick. Bonus number 3 is email marketing for beginners. So you're gonna learn how to decode and dissect an email so that you can emulate master copywriters. Bonus number 4 is autoresponder sequences and automations. So you're gonna learn the secrets behind email marketing and how to set up a money funnel on autopilot. Bonus number 5 is how to make money podcasting. So this is video training on how you can start earning some easy income online doing podcasting. So it's pretty cool stuff. Bonus number 6 is the conceptual system. So you're gonna learn the secrets of making money with every content you put up online. So that's pretty much my whole business model in this video training. Bonus number 7 is Fiverr tips and using Quora. So if you're on Fiverr and you want some extra tips on how to get some more earnings, this is video training on Fiverr tips and how you can use Quora to funnel that traffic to your gigs. Okay, I go over specific details on how to use this the proper way because most people don't know how to do it the right way. All right, so bonus number 8 is YouTube Cash. So this is video training on how to use YouTube effectively for affiliate commissions. Okay, bonus number 9 is spreading goodwill system. So this is video training on a system you can use to 10x your list building literally overnight. Bonus number 10 is secret hacks. So this is video training on some awesome hacks to increase your online commissions. Some good stuff in there. Bonus number 11 is how to manage your time wisely. So you're going to learn how to use your time to your advantage by focusing on what is most important. This is video training on an easy way to use Wikipedia to your marketing advantage. Bonus number 13 is grow your business with funnels. So this is video training on how to use funnels effectively in your business for maximizing commissions. Bonus number 14 is the copywriting sequence. So in here, you're going to learn the right order you should write copy and how it can help you make more sales. Bonus number 15 is 10 ways to write killer ads. So essentially selling is accomplished with the written word by using persuasion effectively. So this is going to show you how to do that. Bonus number 16 is email list management secrets. So of course, list maintenance is one of the most important subjects in online marketing, right? So this is going to tell you all about that. Bonus number 17 is Instagram marketing secrets. So you're going to learn the secrets to reaching a wide audience with over 1 billion active users. Bonus number 18 is profit funnels. So this is a quick start guide to creating profitable sales funnels. Bonus number 19 is sales funnel money. So this is a 5-day email crash course on how to double or triple your income with sales funnels. And bonus number 20 is social traffic plan. So you're going to learn to effectively utilize the most popular social media platforms to boost targeted website traffic. Okay, so act now and get get these extra bonuses worth $1,170. All right, so your next question might be, where do I find my bonuses? So let's take a look. So if you scroll down a little bit further on the page, it's going to show you how to find your bonuses in Warrior Plus. So this product is on the Warrior Plus platform, right? That's what it's selling on. So the first step is, if you don't have a Warrior Plus account, go ahead and create one, right? So once you create one and then you log into your account, you're going to see your name here. Click on the little drop down tab, look for purchase history. All right, once you go through the checkout process, it's going to be located in here, right? So in this case, it's going to go to step 2. You're going to be looking for Vanquish in here for the link. Once you click on that link, it's going to take you to step 3. You're going to see a green button where you can access the Vanquish course. Click on that. And if you want to access my bonuses, you would click on the blue button here. Okay, so again, if you want to get a head start setting up your GrooveFunnels account, go ahead and use the green button on my bonus page here. You click that, it's going to open a new page so you can save your space here, and then go ahead and click get started. Then you can go ahead, sign up for a free account, get that all set up, and then you can come back over here to the bonus page. Then you can click on any one of these red buttons to lock in my bonuses to get Vanquish and get that set up. Okay, then you're going to be ready to rock and roll. As soon as you get inside the members area, you can just start setting everything up. All right, and that's about it. So go ahead, like, share, and leave me some comments below if you enjoyed this video. And that's going to wrap up my Vanquish review. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that it helps you make an educated decision on whether you think that this is a good product fit for your own business. Okay, I'm Ronnie Rokksmith with USA Digi. And guys, happy marketing.